Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Now today I'm going to let you know about the key factors to consider when looking for the perfect payment processor for your business. Now selecting the right credit card processing company is crucial for your business to streamline their payment processes, which is going to translate to more sales as well as provide a convenient experience for your customers. And if at any point throughout this video you want to give any of the companies mentioned in this video, well, you can check the links in the description down below for discounts off all of these services. Now, choosing the right credit card processing company can be a game changer for your business. But how do you know to find a perfect credit card processing partner, the one that understands your needs and pushes your business forward? Now, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to explore the top 6 credit card processing companies, examine their unique features, and guide you on how you can select the perfect credit card processing partner for your business. Now listen, I'll only recommend the best services from my experience and that are consistent and have helped me improve the quality of my business. So without further ado, guys, let's get right into it. All right, guys, first on my list, which I believe to be the best, is Leader's Merchant Services. Now, Leader Merchant Services is renowned for their comprehensive payment solution and advanced technologies. They offer a wide range of services, including credit card processing, mobile payments, e-commerce solutions, and much more. With a strong focus on security and efficiency, Leader's Merchant Services provide businesses with the tools they need to thrive in today's digital landscape. However, some people find their contract terms way too long, so be sure to consider that ahead of time. But the robust features and excellent customer support make them a reliable choice for businesses of all sizes. All right, next up we have PayArc. Now, PayArc specializes in providing customized payment processing solutions tailored to meet specific business needs. They offer competitive rates, transparent pricing, and a user-friendly interface. Now, PayArc's dedication to customer satisfaction is evident through positive customer reviews, the responsive support team, and seamless payment experience. However, PayArc's availability may be limited in certain regions, so it's important to check if their services are accessible in your area. Moving on, we have PaymentCloud. Now, PaymentCloud stands out for their high approval rates, making them an excellent option for businesses with higher risk profiles. They offer flexible solutions, including virtual terminals, point-of-sale systems, and online payment gateways. Now, PaymentCloud's commitment to empowering businesses to accept payments efficiently has earned positive feedback from customers. However, one important thing to be aware of is that some users have mentioned that PaymentCloud's pricing structure can be a bit complex, so it's advisable to carefully review their fee schedule. Now let's discuss Flagship Merchant Services. Now, Flagship Merchant Services offers a wide array of payment solutions, including credit card processing, mobile payments, and e-commerce integration. With a reputation for excellent customer service and competitive pricing, they've built a loyal customer base. Now, one minor drawback reported by some users is the occasional delays in fund settlement, which could impact cash flow for businesses with specific requirements. Now, the fifth company on my list is ProMerchant. Now, ProMerchant is known for their personalized approach and tailored payment solutions. Now, they offer a variety of services, including credit card processing, point-of-sale systems, and e-commerce solutions. And so ProMerchant's ability to understand each business's unique needs and provides customized solutions has gotten them many positive reviews. Now, customers appreciate their transparent pricing and proactive customer support. Now, ProMerchant services might be more suitable for larger businesses, so small businesses should carefully consider their specific needs. Last but certainly not least, we have Stacks. Now, Stacks provides comprehensive payment processing solutions, including credit card processing, mobile payments, and integrated payment solutions. They offer competitive pricing, transparent fee structures, and exceptional customer support. Now, customers have praised Stacks for their user-friendly platform and sophisticated reporting tools. However, it's worth mentioning that some users have reported occasional technical glitches in their system, which could be an inconvenience. Now that you know what the best options are, let's discuss how you can select the perfect payment partner for your business. Now, when selecting a credit card processing company for your business, it's essential to choose the right payment partner. With numerous options available, consider the following factors to find your perfect match. So start by conducting a comprehensive assessment of your business's needs. Determine your average transaction volume, the types of payments you accept, and your specific requirements or industry regulations to comply with. Now, understanding your needs will help narrow down potential payment partners. And remember, the payment security is a paramount. So look for partners that employs robust encryption technologies and adheres to industry security standards like PCI DSS compliances. After that, evaluate the range of services offered by each payment partner. Consider features like mobile payments, virtual terminals, reoccurring billing, and e-commerce integration, and carefully examine the pricing structure of each payment partner. Also, compare transaction fees, monthly costs, setup expenses, and additional charges. Research each payment partner's reputation for responsive support channels and availability during your business hours. Check if each payment partner integrates seamlessly with your existing systems. Next, compatibility with your software or point of sale systems will ensure a smooth payment process. Moving on, be sure to research the reputation of each payment partner in the industry. Read customer reviews and testimonials to gauge reliability and customer satisfaction levels. And choose a payment partner that can accommodate your business's growth. Scalability is crucial for further success. Now, carefully review contracts terms and conditions, including pricing transparency, contract length, and cancellation policies. Flexibility is key because it allows you to adopt your payment processing solution as your business evolves. So consider partnering with a payment provider with industry expertise. They'll have a better understanding of your unique needs and may offer tailored solutions of industry-specific features. So by conducting these factors and conducting thorough research, you can find the perfect payment partner that aligns with your business goals and requirements. Remember to evaluate multiple options, request quotes, and compare offerings before making your final decision. So there you have it. Selecting the best credit card processing company for your business is a critical decision. And the companies that I mentioned in this video offer a range of services, competitive pricing, excellent customer support, and user-friendly interfaces. However, it's essential to consider your business's specific requirements and carefully review the pros and cons of each provider. By doing so, you can find the perfect payment partner that aligns with your business goals. We hope this information has provided valuable insights into the top credit card processing companies and their features. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more. And if you want to check out any of these companies for yourself, you'll find all the useful links as well as discounts in the description down below. And if you have further questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.